Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogunshola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. What I have for us today is very useful for all of us because we are all involved in project activities at one time or the other. So are you an industry professional? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a university student anywhere in the world? This is useful for you. I'm doing this video because I got feedback from the last video where I talk about top 10 terms used by project managers. I'm told that those terms there are newer terms, I'm told, and this is why I do this video, which is titled 10 new terms used in project management. Let's go. The term number one I'd like to talk about is the Agile. The Agile is an iterative approach to project management. It provides guidance on how to choose methods and procedures during project activities. It also helps to prioritize, select, and manage all project activities so that we get maximum return on investment. That's the Agile. The next term number two that I would like to talk about is the business model. This is very simple and basic. This is simply how your company goes about making money. The project activity is going on, but how will your company make money for executing that project? What's the business model of your company? The third term that you could have heard about is scope creep. Yeah, uncontrolled changes will happen in your project, and whenever you have uncontrolled changes in your project, that's the scope creep. Let's not forget that the business environment is always changing, highly unpredictable, and this will lead to changes, uncontrolled changes in the project. For example, COVID-19 came to disrupt a lot of project activities, and that's uncontrolled changes in your project, and that's what we know as the scope creep. Yeah. Term number four used in project, end user. Maybe you hear that, the end user. Firstly, the end user is a very important stakeholder on the project. This is the owner of the project actually. They get to use the product, the result, service, or outcome of the project. Number five, term number five used in project management, data modeling. This looks at data which your repository is built on and how to structure that data so that you know how to access that data more efficiently. Data modeling, yeah? You structure data in such a way that you are able to access it more efficiently. Yeah. Term number six, EI, emotional intelligence. First of all, as a project manager, you should have emotional intelligence. That means you should have high level of self-management, high level of self-awareness, high level of relationship management, and a high level of social awareness. As a project manager or even as a project team member, you should be able to manage your emotions and manage the emotions of others. You should be able to motivate yourself and motivate others. Okay, that was term number six. Term number seven, market awareness. Let's not forget that marketing itself is the process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer needs. So when we talk about market awareness, you're asking yourself questions: who are our customers? Who are our competitors? What are the current trends in the industry? What are the current products in the industry? What is the current price for such products in the industry? Market awareness, that's you carrying out your market research as a project manager or project team member and knowing what's happening in the market space. Okay. Term number 8 would be strategic analysis. It says it all already. You're looking at the market and you are determining if your product or service fits in to the market. You also want to observe any challenges due to market changes or market trends. Strategic analysis, looking at the market, research or market environmental scanning through PESU analysis, for example, or looking at Porter's 5 forces, looking at the bargaining power of the suppliers, bargaining power of the buyers, looking at threats of new entries. You're looking at all of this rivalry among the competitors, threats from substitute goods or services. That's simply the concept of strategic analysis. We have term number 9, project leadership. It's simply a process where the project manager is and the project board or everybody on the strategic team in the project is able to inspire the project team members, inspire everybody working on the project, and be able to influence the project positively. Project leadership. And we have the last term, which is term number 10, hybrid methodologies, hybrid methodologies. And this is simply a concept where we are able to combine two different methodologies or systems that create a better model when we work on the project. So that's 10 new terms used in project management. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Please share to every industry professional, entrepreneur, or student that you know. Share to family and friends as well. Of course, please feel free to put your comments in the comment section on YouTube. We want to know how we can serve you better. Also, please visit our website www.idpsconsults.com. Let's know how we can serve you better. Remember, at iDPS, we exist to educate the world. We also exist to diagnose problems and proffer solutions. You know that I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is to see a developed Africa and a united Africa. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing all you can to promote African development, and keep doing all you can to make sure that Africa is united. Africa must develop. This is where it comes to an end today. Therefore, in English language, I like to say thank you very much. In Dutch language, I like to say thank you all. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, I like to say Esheo. Bye.